Welcome back to another Quiltler tutorial. This is going to be a tutorial on pattern collections. I don't have any, so I'm going to hit the plus button in the top right to get started. I'm going to name this Flowers and hit done. The next thing here is I'm going to go ahead and select the palette to bring up the designer. And let's start with just a basic, maybe a full octagon here, and we can change the color a little bit to whatever we want. Hit done there, done. Now I've got this nice octagon and I can hit add and you can see that it has been added to my collection. The other thing I could do is tap the color palette and you can see I can change the color and quickly add it again. I can do some rotation on it, maybe, just a little bit of rotation and hit done and add that as well. So the other nice thing is we can go to our imports and let's go ahead and select an import. And we've got this here. We'll take this rotation back to 0. And now there's actually a nice 4-arrow button that will give you all the rotations if you tap it. And so you'll see that if you look really closely, it will have the 90-degree rotations of that, that pattern. Now that I have my pattern pretty well laid out, I'm going to hit back and then I'm going to actually go over to patterns, the patterns tab at the bottom, and you can see I can select different patterns here. And I didn't add these to my collection and I wanted to, so I'm going to hit add collection at the top and go ahead and select flowers. It's going to go ahead and add those items to that collection. Now that I've got my collection where I want it, I'm going to go over to playgrounds and I'm going to use the 9-patch template and just kind of do a little design there. I'm going to erase all the existing blocks and I'm going to choose collections and go ahead and select my flowers collection. You can see that choose collections button down there in the middle, and now that I've selected a collection, you can see that I've got all my collection items there, easily accessible. So the nice thing here is that if I wanted to now put those somewhere, I can select my multi-block and we'll go ahead and do a multi-block there, and we'll go ahead and put our, let's see, that one. So now I've selected an item from the collections and I'm going to hit paste. So now it's put all the items that I selected when I hit paste. So let's go ahead and do a single block and let's delete. This is not gonna, look extremely pretty, but I want a single big rose pattern here, and I'll hit paste. And now you can see that my rose pattern is there, and let's get rid of these. Actually, I don't really love those. Let's go ahead and select this one to go here, paste that in, select a different rotation of the red dots there. And you can see that as I'm selecting items from the collection, I actually unselect all the previous ones or the previous one, because what you can do is you can actually layer items from the collection, and this goes with any blocks, but if I go like that and I select multiple items, I'm not sure why it turned blue, but we'll fix that bug later. But you can see that now if we hit paste, it actually layered the two items. And so it's a great feature if you wanted to do that, but just remember to unselect other items. And I can, of course, go to erase and select the layer that I don't want, which is that one, and now that's gone. So that has been a pretty quick tutorial here on pattern collections. It can really help simplify the designing process. Let me know if you have any additional questions, and have